that is how to name a ligand. Okay, naming of ligand. Okay, so here ligand can be three type of ligand, that is a cationic ligand, neutral ligand, or anionic ligand. What is a cationic ligand? Cationic ligand is that type of ligand which contains a positive charge in it, that is nitrosonium ion, NO plus. It is a cationic ligand. What is neutral ligand? A ligand that does not contain any net charge on it. What that example? Example is ammonia, NH3, one lone pair, no positive or negatively charged. And another is an anionic ligand. The third type of ligand is, what is that? That it will contain a net negative charge on it. Example, say the example is cyanide. Cyanide contains CN minus charge. Whole the net charge is minus, so it is an anionic ligand. Okay. The first type of ligand is cationic ligand, and cationic ligand, the name end with yum, IUM. Yum. Okay. Example, NO plus, nitrosonium ion. The second is NO2 plus, it is nitronium ion, nitronium. And the third is okay, example is NH2 NH3 plus. This is hydrogenium. You will not have to rectify this. Do not rectify this. If you look at this NO plus, the name nitrosonium should immediately pop out in your mind, but do not rectify this. Okay, this is a very bad task and not fruitful task to rectify this. So do not rectify this. Just read so many times that the name just pops out after seeing the structure. Okay. And the next is O2 plus. O2 plus is known as oxygenium ions. Oxygenium, this is known as. Okay. Cationic ligand, the second type of ligand is neutral ligand. Okay, so neutral ligand is no modification in name. Neutral ligand. Examples of neutral ligand is benzene, C6H6, just benzene, no modification in name. And second is pyridine, C5H5N, pyridine. And urea, NH2CO, urea, NH2CO, NH2, this is urea. And O2 dioxygen, O2 is dioxygen, and here is okay, S8, S8, this is octasulfur, and the next one is H2O. It is important, it is known as aqua. This is important, aqua. Okay, so this type of these are neutral ligands. Note down this, I will be rubbing this, or take a screenshot. So much so we have learned about cationic, neutral, and another is remaining, that is the anionic ligand. So third one in this list is anionic ligand. Okay, so to name this anionic ligand, if the ligand's name ends with nitro, okay, it ends with E, then this is replaced, this is replaced as O. That means fluoride will be fluorido, chloride will be chlorido, iodide will be iodido, bromide will be bromido, cyanide will be cyanido. Okay, so let's take the examples here. The examples are many here, just read after and after days and days, you will be, the examples will be in your grip. So Cl minus is, this is chlorido. Okay, so let me first make even understand one example. The Cl minus, it is chloride. Okay, chloride ends with E, dash E, chloride, and the ligand is anionic ligand, so it will be transformed in the naming as chlorido, E replaced with O, chloride, chloride. Okay, I have given in one example. So similarly, Br minus bromine, bromido, I minus iodido, F minus fluorido, F minus fluorido, S minus 2 sulfido, HS minus hydrogen, sulfido. Okay, then is O minus 2 oxido, O2 minus 2 peroxido. Okay, then NH2 minus amido, NH minus 2, this is imido. Look here, NH2 minus is amido, but NH minus 2 is imido. Remember, this is important. OH minus hydroxido, then SO4 minus 2 sulfato, SO3 minus 2 sulfito. Okay, then P minus 3 phosphido, then C2O4 minus 2 oxalate ion. I have given that example before. This is known as, this is named as oxalato. Okay, and here is a very important example here. This is I am giving you a very important example. Remember this structure. Okay, this is, the name of this compound is dimethyl glyoxymato, or it is in short it is known as DMG, dimethyl glyoxymato. The structure is written as CH3 single bond C CH3 double bond N OH double bond N O minus. Okay, so this is DMG. Okay, remember the structure. This DMG is a bidentate ligand. Okay, this is a bidentate ligand, DMG. Remember this bidentate ligand, and O minus, bidentate ligand, O minus, and here lone pair of N, and it is unsymmetrical. No, don't write this. I have forgot this, whether it is whether it is unsymmetrical or symmetrical. Okay, but this is for sure, it is bidentate ligand. I will be telling you this in the next lecture. So copy this. I will be rubbing the board after it. Okay, so another interesting aspect of the anionic ligand we will be discussing here, that is another interesting aspect of the anionic ligand will be discussing here, that if this ligand is connected by NO2, connected by nitrogen atom, it is known as nitrito N, and it is connected by oxygen atom, then it is known as nitrito O. Okay, similarly if it is OCN, it is known as cyanato O. NCO, connected by nitrogen, connected by oxygen, this is connected by nitrogen, cyanato N. Okay, SCN, this is thiocyanato S. There is NCS, thiocyanato N. Okay, and another example is CN, so through C, connected through C, cyanido C, NC, connected by N, cyanido N. Okay, copy this and remember this. So I will be discussing the next part in the next lecture. Thank you.